Everything fine?
Yes, that's fine. That's very nice. I could find many difference between about the nature, like kind of tree species and some leaves that we've colored. Oh, lollies. なんか小屋が見えてきましたね。Oh, okay. About the nature and the park. Wow. So the children can learn something inside that.
It's only rest house.
Oh, okay. For the hiking or biking or something. Oh, it's about the moose. Wow. The first time I met just a moose is in Scandinavian zoo. I was really surprised at the size because very big, more than the horses. And also I don't know how to use it.
I know the Polish name.
Okay.
Moroże.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, the wash is a...
Wash.
Okay. I think that's a kind of beer, right? Beer? Or some cow?
I think maybe they have same cream.
Oh, the bottom one is a baby?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I think it's like a pony.